So you're thinking about moving to Foley, Alabama. Well, today in this video, we're going to walk you through a pretty unique property in a little neighborhood called Peachtree. Now, the reason it's unique is because these are the same build homes by D.R. Horton that you'll see in some of the other neighborhoods like Aventura, but you're not going to see the prices that you'll see in Aventura. And the reason why is because you're in Foley. And the neighborhood here does not have all the amenities that are in Aventura, but you get a lot more bang for your buck. So we're going to walk you through this really nice house. It is, and one of the unique factors about this house is it has a 3-car garage and also a pool. The backyard is basically like an oasis, and wait till you see that primary bathroom. Unbelievable. This house is listed by Tim Lauer with Simply Home Alabama. It was built in 2022. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and we're going to walk you through this thing, show you everything you get with it, and we'll also stick around to the end. We'll show you around the neighborhood, and you can see just how quiet it is here. I mean, I'm out here on a Sunday about midday, kind of a gloomy day, but listen to this. It's just so quiet. So come take a look with us. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and ring that little bell so you could be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to learn about what it's like to live in Orange Beach, Gulf Shores, Foley, all the surrounding areas. My name is Andy Hollis. Along with my partner, Aileen Fountain, we do these videos each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to actually live at the beach. So whether it's 9 days, 9 months, 9 years before you're thinking about making your move, don't hesitate to pick up that phone, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, heck, send up a smoke signal. We don't care how you get in touch with us, just get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be in the description of this video, and we also pin it in the very first comment of this video, so that way you can always get in touch with us. So as I mentioned, today we're going to walk you through this 4-bedroom, 3 bath, I think it is 2,312 square feet. It was built in 2022. It's got a 3-car garage. It's got a pool. It's got, I mean, unbelievable features in this house. Very well upkept. So we're going to show you this house and everything you get with it. So let's get to it right now. All right, let's go check it out. First off, you walk in, nice little covered entryway here. And right when you walk in the door, first you can see it's got that LVP flooring all the way throughout. There is carpet in the bedrooms, but not that big a deal because you're not that close to the beach. You've got a shared bathroom right here, right off the side with a nice insert there. And then you do have access, or excuse me, not access. You do have a linen closet there. I thought that was access to the other bedroom, but it wasn't. And there's your entryway. And come on into the first bedroom, right off the front here. And that looks like a full-size bed there, but it is big enough for a queen. That may be a queen. Closet there. And you do have a ceiling fan. They have pets, so that's why they have these little gates here. And then go back into, or go into the second bedroom. Looks like the same size bed there. And closet. Ceiling fan again. And TV there. And these are nice sized bedrooms here too. And we'll come on into this area here. They've got a nice, good sized dining room table there. That's a nice little area. And I love this open floor plan. This is super nice. With the tray ceilings. Got a ceiling fan there. You could put a bigger ceiling fan there, or you know, have I've seen these with 2 ceiling fans in them, but that one's probably sufficient. And then got the TV there. But you can see this nice open floor plan concept. They got seating all over the place. That little breakfast area back there, they repurposed that for a seating area, which I think is a great idea, because you've got these 4 chairs at the bar that you can sit and eat at. And then this is nice size walk-in pantry there. Super cool. And nice new appliances. Everything in here looks and feels brand new. This house is very well upkept. And we'll go back off into another bathroom here with yet another shower, tub insert there, and then single sink. And these are, I think these are granite countertops. That's what they feel like and look like. And back into another bedroom. Got a nice view of the pool out there, out that window. And another ceiling fan. And a nice closet, just like the others. And there's a super nice little seating area out there. We'll go out there in just a minute. But the first thing I wanted to go through and show you was one of the biggest features of this house is this 3-car garage. And you can see how much room you have in here. Just like everyone else in the world, they have another refrigerator out here. Put your water heater there, and you do have attic space there with a pull down. And they're using it for storage, of course, which a lot of people do. But you do have a 3-car garage. Really, really big. So we'll go back in. And if I didn't mention it before, it's a nice sized laundry room here. A lot of space. And again, this is a little breakfast area that they're repurposing for a seating area. And we'll go right in here to the primary suite. And that is a king size bed. And you see it doesn't take up much of this room. Again, tray ceilings here with a nice ceiling fan. Got TV on the wall there. I don't have the blinds opened up today because it's kind of gloomy outside, but I can imagine you get a lot of light in here when it is sunny. And then you do have the countertops there with the dual vanity. All of this is super nice. The marbling on this is unbelievable. And then nice soaking tub there. And check out this shower. That is awesome. I love a good shower. And you got a nice little seating area there in the shower for you ladies to shave your legs, or men if you want to. And then you've got the toilet there, and then you have a primary closet. It is a nice super walk-in closet. It is custom closet. So you can see the shoe rack there and all that. Instead of your typical wire shelving. Super nice bathroom. And we'll go back out. Now we'll go check out the backyard, which is one of the best features of this house, in my opinion. We'll go check it out. Check this out. Now this is cool. Nice little seating area there. They've already got the TV hung up there. Got some lights there along the edge. A lot of seating out here to entertain. Put you a grill out here. And then they've got a nice little storage shed in the back there. And one feature that I didn't even pay attention to on the listing when I saw it was that there's an outside shower. So that's cool. So you can have a outside shower, wash everything off of you when you get out of the pool. And then lots of seating area around this pool, and check out that pool. And then over here on the side, you've got all your pool stuff there and your air conditioning. And it's already fenced in, nice fenced in yard. Just got you a backyard oasis. So we'll go back in, and then I'll tell you more about this house and this neighborhood. All right, guys, that's going to about do it for our video here today of this 4-bedroom, 3-bath house in Peachtree in Foley, Alabama. This house is listed for $514,900. Your taxes on this, you know, Alabama has some of the lowest taxes in the world. So your property tax on this will be, if it's your primary residence, will be about $1,300 a year, somewhere around there. And then also there is the HOAs are like $600, and that's just for your common area maintenance, and then common area insurance and all that kind of good stuff. So really, really, really quiet neighborhood. Super nice house. I mean, you just can't beat the bang for the buck. And this thing is really close to everything. You're literally right across the street from the hospital. I mean, so, and then right down the road, you got Tanger Outlets. You've also got all the restaurants and everything that you get with Foley. You know, you've seen us do videos in Foley before. I actually live in Foley. I love it here. You're only about 15 to 20 minutes from the beach, depending on the traffic, especially with the new bridge. It's a really easy jump to get there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure and watch some of our other videos. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.
I get flip-flops and your shades that tip the sand. Where the Gulf breeze blows, it's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh it feels so right. From sunrise